Following the declaration of Biafra in Finland, now as we are in United States of Biafra, no be small thing, they say a lot of wahala don burst out for inside Biafra government. As some of people don come outside, they say what Chiamaka Ajere is doing is not good. Why some people say what Ngozi Ohabueze is doing is not good. My people, I go play on the video of Chiamaka Ajere, the whole thing wey he talk for here, and before we go in the next video wey we go upload the one wey Ngozi Ohabueze himself also talk. May una judge this matter by una self, because a lot of things are going on. I think by now what we'll be thinking or talking is how to capture our territories from the Nigerian government. Rather, we'll set back to fight each other. My people, you don't read though. Now, I want you people to go and follow this page, Pump Info News. That is where you are going to watch this video. Follow the page immediately and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Now, I'm going to play the video of wetin Chiamaka Ajere, where they call Pastor Vam talk, before we come back and continue.
Lovers of freedom, listen to me. I am the self-acclaimed armor bearer of the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Commander Ross is the boss and the commander of all commanders in the Biafra Defense Forces and Biafra Liberation Army. Anything Commander Ross does is to protect and defend Biafra and to defend the Biafra Prime Minister. If you declared Biafra today, it is because you have Commander Ross. If you have pride and love for your Prime Minister today, it is because you have Commander Ross and his boys. If Biafra have an army today that the zoo is afraid of, is because we have the Ghost Rider, Commander Ross. I am not looking for any position. In fact, going forward, I relinquish any title I have in the Biafra government. My title going forward is Pastor Vam, the self-acclaimed armor bearer of the Prime Minister. And I am loyal to the authority of Commander Ross, the Ghost Rider. He is the reason why we have Biafra to be proud of today. And his boys, his men on ground, in every territory of Biafra. And so, all this badadash of no fundraising, this, no fundraising that, dissolved this, dissolved that, is all badadash. We are Biafrans, and we are loyal to our Prime Minister, Obatobi Simon Ekpa. If there's anybody that is not concerned that our Prime Minister have not spoken to us in the past 16 to 17 days, that person, you go collect. You go collect. Now we dey here, and we defend the Biafran people. We defend the Biafran territory. We defend the Biafran army. And we will continue to supply everything they need. And it is a good thing to also know that Botozo is formidable and well-to-do and capable. And so, all of you doing and joking and playing with Biafra territorial integrity, be careful. Ngozi Ohabueze, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. 3 times I've told you be careful. Go and ask Nelly. Go and ask Azoka. You know Azoka very well. Ask all of them. In fact, right now, I'm even appreciating Azoka, because she even warned us about you. And then, going forward, please, Biafrans, come together and support our men on ground. They are the pride of Biafra. They are the pride of Biafra. All this your traitor, you are a traitor, and all this your blackmailing of being a traitor. If I'm a traitor for defending the Biafran army, so be it. If I'm a traitor for defending my Prime Minister and asking questions that he is not out, only, taken away for a few days now, and all this brouhaha going on. And you calling me a traitor? Vam. Eh? You calling me a traitor? I'm not going to hate you. I'm not going to banter words with you. But I'm going to stand here, rock solid behind my prime minister until I see Biafra. Until I see Biafra. You know, you are in exile. And the men on ground are still fighting. And you are saying, we are now a nation. Fere mebuogi. Eh? Why be careful, be careful, be careful. And all of you thinking that you are in majority, you are making comments. The Ghost Rider, is watching everything. The Ghost Rider is watching everything. And you need to also know that the Ghost Rider is a prophet. The Ghost Rider is a prophet. He prophesies. And nothing he prophesies that doesn't come to pass. Nothing. So, those that are standing for Biafra and standing for the Prime Minister, remain intact, unmovable, unshakable. I want to see you today. Every country rep, if you divert Biafra money to Ngozi Orabueze, to any other account, the Ghost Rider will go for you. If you are a country rep, a de facto government rep, every country rep in America, if by chance it is identified that you took Biafra resources to mandate accounts, you take it to mandate account in the name of Ngozi Orabueze, I bet you the Ghost Rider will come for you. I say the Ghost Rider will come for you. So every money for the Biafra Liberation Army must go to the Govt account and the Biafra account, which is ipobinusa.org/donate, which is the government account. Nothing tampers with it. Nothing. I'm sure you must have read the notes of Butuzo. I am going to put it right now in the on the comment section, not on the comment section, on the the description. I will put it on the description of this video, because this video is coming to YouTube, to Twitter, to Facebook, to everywhere. My name is Raphael Chamaka Ajere, aka Pastor Vam, self-acclaimed armor bearer of the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Airborne. Jiro Seko yowe. Jiro Seko yowe. Ogeneme yowe. Osano blue yowe. Ogeneme yowe. Osano blue yowe. Biafra ko yowe. Biafra ko yowe. Ogeneme yowe. Osano blue yowe. The Lord will answer. Yes, He will answer. Jehovah will answer. Yes, He will answer. They said I'm a traitor because I am calling for fund to fund our BLA. One thing you must know is that I am Raphael Chamaka Ajere, aka Pastor Vam. By the grace of Chukwuka Kadama Premi Henile, Deputy Minister of Communications, Biafra Republic government in exile. I also double as the self-acclaimed armor bearer of my Prime Minister. Every day, my Prime Minister have always called for funding to keep BLA active. We need funding every day. If it is possible every day for the PM to remind you of funding, he would have done it. So now that he is not here, Somebody wants to put a jack on the wheel of the train that keeps the funding alive. No, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. We must keep BLA alive. Thank you, darling. We must keep BLA alive, and Vam says so. So if you say I am a traitor for calling for fundraising, please add traitor raised to power 2. I want to be a traitor in that way. That's a good traitor. Let me tell you, if you want to be a gang of traitors that want to keep BLA alive, you want to join me to be the gang of traitors that want to make sure Butuzo and his men are actively engaging the zoo every day. All bullet na bullet, all bullet na water. So you must join me and the Biafrans and the Minister of Finance and my boss, Ekpa Sonny. Join us on Saturday tomorrow, 7 p.m. Biafra time. Let the bank keep ringing for BLA. Let it keep ringing for BLA. And I want you also to remember to go to the website of the government website, and support BLA, Biafra Liberation Tax support. Or you go to the website www.ipobinusa.org/donate. That is the only account where you support BLA. Butuzo. Organic. Oreneme, yo well, Osano blue, yo well. What does the arrow say? Forward ever, backward never. You see the arrow? I go forward. Airborne. I am Vam. Join us at the fundraising. We move. Yes, call me a traitor, no problem. What matters is not what you call me now. What will matter is what you call me after the deal is done. What you call me now? Somebody was saying, I will start attacking you and Sonny. Somebody was commenting on my platform. I will start facing you and Sonny. Yeah, bring it on. Face off. Attack us. Call us any name. No problem. We are not doing saga. We are not fighting you. But we need funding for BLA. We need funding for Biafra Liberation Army, and Biafrans that understand the need for funding, they are keen in and they will support. Let me tell you, if you do not support the Prime Minister now, and then all he will do is to be making noise. Hey, it's not by Abatobie, it is by action. By action. Obatobie need the funding, and then Obatobie must be out. So let's do that. Airborne. I am Vam. We move.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Una don see am o. This na the battle wey dey go on right now. As e don be like this now, come tell me. You know, say most of us say the US are not doing anything. No, they no get sense, so they don't know wetin they do. Now, I don't see am. Say small with this one where they happen. The US are becoming wise. My people, I bet more na drop on our own opinion for inside comment section. For most of you, I'm going to come leave the video, come the judge person wey talk or person wey post video. Now God go judge you. I no talk anything. Now waiting they happen, now they report. So I beg, may you share them and also leave your own opinion for inside comment section as it already. Don't forget to see there for Pump Info News and share this video. Make sure you follow this page. Very important, and share.